Hey guys, welcome back to the next video. This time I got something very special, and yes, got a 4070 Super, but I've also got a gaming PC from MSI. Let's take a look. Okay then, so it is the 4070 Super. As you can see, this is an MSI card, full MSI gaming PC. Now the specifications are of course a 4070 Super from MSI. It is the Supreme X Slim. It has a 360mm CORELIQUID V2 AIO. It's housed in an MSI case. It does have a B650M Project Zero motherboard, so that means the cables are situated in the back. It does have a Ryzen 7700X, 32 gigs of Kingston Fury Renegade DDR5 RAM, the RGB version of course, and they sent this for me to actually make videos about. And what do you think? Now, I like the card. I think it looks gorgeous. Obviously I prefer it in black, but that's just me. But let's get this installed, shall we? So there we go, people. Right then, well that's the entire system built up now. As you can see, look, it is a full-fledged MSI build. No, they do not sell this as a pre-built, which, to be honest, I think they should, but that's just my opinion. Like I said, RTX 4070 Super, it's a Ryzen 7700X, 32 gigs of DDR5, 6000 MHz RAM. It's got a CORELIQUID V2 360 AIO. It's got an 850 watt power supply by MSI as well. So it's initially a MSI gaming PC. Of course, it's got a Project Zero motherboard, which does put the cables at the back. And do you want to see the cable management? Let's actually have a look, shall we? So then, this is the back of the motherboard. As you can see, look, all the RGB, the fan connectors, all the 8 pins, the 24 pin, everything, even the Type-C as well as USB 3, everything is situated to the back, which I will say it does make the front look a lot better. But of course there is a downside. You've got all this cable mess. Now, what I would say is, me personally, I wouldn't personally want something like this. Yeah, it looks cleaner, but it would, I'm assuming, be an absolute nightmare to do something like this, because as you can see, the cables are just everywhere. But saying that, the gaming PC actually looks fantastic in the front. Now, when they say zero cables, there's obviously one cable you can't really put to zero, and it's this one, the 12-pin high-power cable. Now, yes, there is GPUs on the market that has them, like situated to the back and stuff like that, but MSI, of course, ain't going to make something like that. But other than that, I mean, the only cables really is this by here for the graphics card, and the pump and RGB by here cable that comes off the AIO. But other than that, that's the only cables you actually see. I honestly think it's a good concept. Obviously, you'd have to really think your strategy when it comes to the back panel, of course, making sure that the back panel's got enough room for the amount of cables it's going to need. But of course, that's one of them things. But other than that, I really do like the concept of 0 cables. And to be honest, I think the build looks absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, just let me know what you think in the comment section. So hey guys, what do you actually think? Now, no, the MSI don't sell this as a bundle or a build. Essentially, what they do is they sell the individual parts, but they do also do some pre-builds as far as I'm aware. But if any of you want to buy any of these parts, I'll make sure to leave a link down below, as well as a link to the MSI website. And I am very honoured and privileged to have them send me a gaming PC. Yes, I would love to keep it so I could use this for more content in the future, which I honestly think would help MSI even more, giving me more opportunities to make more content for you guys. But it just gives me something else. It gives me something different to do for you guys. Now, yeah, the reviews and stuff, they will still be coming, but I really want to start digging into custom builds, stuff like that from OEMs and stuff like that. So if there's any other businesses out there that would like me to showcase the builds, please let me know. Now, if there's probably one thing in this I would like to actually keep, is not the GPU, but it's actually the case, the motherboard, the RAM, the CPU, as well as the NVMe, because I would love to use this as my test bench, because the case is big enough, as well as has support for 360s, and of course I'd use this in every single one of my videos. But of course MSI aren't going to do that. But I like the concept of no cables, but obviously it's not my preferred method. I just prefer the original, but I also appreciate the concept of someone bringing out something different, which usually doesn't bode well with the community. But I think this one actually looks absolutely gorgeous. But yeah, now I have got future content coming up with the RTX 4070 Super, so make sure you subscribe for that. I got more stuff coming here from Cooler Master, Thermalright. I'm still waiting for stuff from Thermal Grizzly. So yeah, this is Rich for WELSHYTECH. I hope you guys have a fantastic day, weekend, and week ahead of you. Goodbye.